Hello guys, welcome back to Unique Beauty. This is a honest advice I'm giving you guys out there who are watching this video right now. Please, you have to be patient and consistent to take care of your hair. If you cannot do that, your hair will just become dry and breaking. Your scalp will be really flaky and dandruff. That is because we're not doing the right thing for our hair and scalp. Like, this shampoo is for sensitive. The Johnson baby shampoo is really good because when you have sensitive scalp, you could use that. Yeah, or you just choose whatever goes with your scalp. Yeah. So then the other thing, using conditioner for our scalp after shampooing our hair, sometimes it's not enough. It doesn't give you the benefits your hair and scalp need to stay healthy. So this is why you're going to need your hair max treatment or your hair mayonnaise. Yeah, just to add more volume to your hair and make your hair healthy and strong. And this will help cleanse your hair more and then stop dandruff and itchy scalp. Yeah, it's just like a treatment. You're gonna leave it for 10-15 minutes after washing your hair, so you can just go ahead and then add your hair mayonnaise or you use your hair max treatment. So if you cannot make your own fresh DIY hair max treatment just like this one, you can go ahead and grab one from the local shop, your hair salon. Yeah, then once you finish to wash your hair and dry it, yeah, you can go ahead and dry your hair, but sometimes using too much heat for our hair is not good. So it's just best if you just use towel and dry your hair. Then you go ahead and apply your hair cream or your oil, just like these ones I'm showing you. You can use your own DIY butter, mixed butter, or Vaseline, or hair moisturizer, hair lotion, or you just use your own mixed DIY oils, or you just look for one particular brand of oil you suit your scalp that you can use. So this is all what pretty much you need really to maintain your hair to stay healthy and strong. Yeah, you can use this at home. Please subscribe. Then also, when you have all those cream, you can use, if your hair is not in protective styling like that, you can moisturize your hair at least 3 times a week. Then also, when you have braids like this, go ahead and use your water and oil to spray this, so that will stop the buildup. Please guys, keep doing this job, then your hair will stay healthy.